Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. Do you ever wonder what is better, a pencil or powder on your eyebrows? I'm going to put that to the test today. I am going to do one eyebrow with the pencil and the other one with just a regular eyeshadow. I'm going to use the Anastasia shadow right here, which I actually always use an eyeshadow to powder in my eyes, my eyebrows. But are you guys wondering which one is better? I am wondering too. I am actually coaching tennis today. It is 105 degrees today. So I'm going to, and I can't even tell you how much I profusely sweat. So I'm going to sweat my butt off and we're going to actually see which one is the better product. So I'm using the e.l.f. eyeshadow, eyebrow pencil in natural brown, and I'm just using a regular shadow on the other one. I'll come back in 2 seconds after I finish putting them on and show you what they look like. Okay guys, so you can see the difference between my eyebrows. They look very, very similar, but I'm gonna remember that the powder is on this side of my face, the one with the mole, and the pencil is on this side of the face. It is, like I said, gonna be 105 degrees or hotter today in Las Vegas. So it is gonna be so hot, and this is the best way to put something to the test. So let's actually see which eyebrow looks better at the end of our tournament. I will see you guys in a bit. Okay guys, so it's already been on for a few hours, and my eyebrows look the same still, but we're about to go outside and start the tournament. So I'll let you guys know. Okay guys, so I've been wearing my eyebrows for 8 hours in the freaking sun. You can see I am extremely sweaty. I'm extremely exhausted. But if I get close, I'm honestly gonna say, like, I think they look the same. One was not more superior than the other. So you guys let me know. Do you think they look different? I think they look the same. Besides maybe when I wipe my face like that. Yeah, see, I did it right there too. I might have wiped off a little bit in the corner. Right there too. But I just did that right now. But everything else looks exactly the same. So one does not beat the other. Now I asked my friend's opinion, and she said that she thinks that the powder looks much more natural than the pencil. But you guys let me know in the comment down below. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.